Hi friends! I'm here to show you the next math center of this week. This week we are gonna work on rounding to the nearest 10. And it's a super important concept for third graders, so please pay attention because we use rounding so many times. I remember a few weeks ago that we were doing a number talk and someone answered me, I know it's 30 something. So he knew the answer, but he wasn't really sure about what was the answer. But we use rounding so many times when we are doing mental math. We are sure that it's this answer or this one, or that someone give us the change back at the store because we know that no, it needs to be less than 50 and we have more, things like that. Our brain works like that. So this activity is important to help us with our mental math. The materials you are going to need is a random generator number that I'm gonna use here in my iPad, and the printables I give you on Canvas. This one I need to make it on my own because my printer decided to stop working, and this one I could print it, lucky me. So I'm gonna use a seed protector, the same thing, because if I want to practice again next week because I have some extra time or someone to play with, you can just play directly and you don't need to prepare everything or print everything again. That is probably not going to happen. So use, and I would recommend you to, if you are printing the centers, to keep them in a folder or something, so if they are accessible to you to play with. Let's start. In second grade, do you remember that we did something that we called triads? Triads were something like that. Number 7. And we gave you 3 options. Number 7 is closer to 0, closer to 10, or just in the middle. And we talk about so many strategies like using a number line or drawing a number line or just imagine a number line in our head or a 100 chart or whatever, or subtracting or adding. In this activity you can use so many strategies together to figure it out. Then most of you know that 7 is closer to 10. So this was kind of rounding, something similar to the thing that we are gonna learn today, but this is one step more. The first thing I'm gonna do is to draw a number line. It's going to be like a blank number line with 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye. Remember that this is number 0. Or 0. You will see that it's not a 0 sometimes. Let's open our random number generator and choose numbers between 0 and 100. 0 and 100. Okay? And remember, you are working by pairs. Red team, green team. Generate a number. 33. 33. So the first thing you need to do is decide which tens can be closer to 33. So I think 33 is in between 30 and 40. Where is 33 exactly? It's in between 30 and 40. Where is exactly? 31, 32, 33. So 33 is right here. 33 is closer to 30 or to 40. Exactly to 30, because here I have 3 jumps and here I have 7. You see? So it's closer to 30. So the red one, that is starting, 1, the 30 base, or how do you prefer to call it? This box is the red one. Let's go with the green one. 20. 20 is closer to 20. It's not the perfect example, but this can happen. So the green one, directly, without thinking on anything, won the 20. Let's go with the red one again. 46. 46. 46 is in between 40 and 50. Where is 46 exactly? 45 will be here and 46 here. So it's closer to 50. So the red one won the 50. You get it? Let's continue. 13. 13. 13, number 13 is in between 10 and 20. Where is exactly? 11, 12, 13. Here. So 13 is closer to 10 or closer to 20? Closer to 10, exactamente. And this is the green one. And careful, because when you have 3 in a row, you won the game. You win the game. So, a ver. 69. 69 is in between 60 and 70. Where is exactly 69? Here. So it's closer to 70. So the red one won 70. You can won that way, this way, no? Pero you can do horizontally, vertically, or a diagonal. 80. The green one is a lazy guy. 80 for the green one. And let me try, because I want 45. 45 is perfect example of the thing that I wanted to explain you. When in the ones we have a 5, there's a special thing that is going to happen, so pay attention. 45 is in between 40 and 50. Where is 45 exactly? Here, in the middle. It's right in the middle. Do you remember second grade? So what happened when it's right in the middle? Is closer to 40 or closer to 50? We don't have an answer, but someone decided that when this happens, we are gonna round to the next 10. So it will be 50. So if it's 5 or bigger than 5, we round to the greatest 10. Always. It doesn't matter if you are talking about 20 and 30 and you have the number 25 in the middle. 25 will be 30. In this case it's 50. 50 is already gotten. So, bad luck. Next time. 22, I'm gonna roll again. 86. 86 is gonna be the last one. 80 and 90, because 86 is in between 80 and 90. Where is exactly? Here, 86. So I won the 90, and this is for the red one. So a perfect 10 because I won. The red one won 3 in a row. So the only thing that you need to remember is that is when is right in the middle, we round to the greatest 10 instead of the smallest. It's the only thing that is a little tricky. Ready for level 2? On level 2, you need to do the same thing. Actually, you can use the same number line, but you are gonna work on numbers from 0 to 1000. And it's gonna work the same way. A ver. And we're gonna work on tens here, over here in the number line. So let's pick a number until 1000. And let's go. 184. 184. 184 is in between 180 and 190. So I can want 180 or 190. Let's see if it's closer to 180 or 190. 181, 82, 83, 84. 184. So 184 is closer to which 10? This one, 180. So the green one this time. 180. Maybe you can color the whole square. These ones are smaller. Let's go with the next one. Because of that, you can use the same number line, so with so many different numbers. 174. 174 is in between 170 and 180. Where is exactly 171, 72, 73, 74? 174. So it's closer to 170. Just here. Okay, let's go with another number. I'm gonna try something. Bien. Thank you, random number generator. 675. 675 is in between 670 and 680. A ver, 671, 72, 73, 74, 75. 675. What happened is just in the middle. So what can we do? Is closer to the smallest 10 or to the greatest 10? You remember? Yeah, closer to the greatest. So let's look for 680. And ta-da! This base is mine. You see, when you have 4 in a row in this game, you win the game. One more time than before. The last one, guys. 153. 153 is in between 150 and 160. Where is exactly? Is 151, 52, 53. 153. So which base I want? 150. So let's look for 150. Ta-ta-ta. This is mine. Okay? So if I want 2 more, I can go. So I hope you understand it. Even though you can watch the video one more time and probably you will get it. On first day, do at least 2 games of this one. Play 2 times, play twice. And 1 time to the biggest, with the biggest board. And on day number 2, you can do the opposite. Play once to the with the level 1 and at least twice with the biggest one. Okay? And again, you can play on your own, as I did, and or play with someone that is going to be funnier, but we are not always with someone at home. Bueno chicos, thanks for watching, have fun, más.